Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the dried oranges that you could use to decorate for Christmas. First, you will need a few oranges. You can use different types of citrus if you want different colors. For better results, pick out the oranges that are harder and drier, so the opposite of what you would normally want to eat. Next, using a sharp knife or a mandolin, carefully slice the oranges as thinly as you can. They should be about 1/8 of an inch thick. Then we're going to dry out any extra moisture by placing the slices in one layer on a baking sheet, lined with paper or fabric towels. You want to pat them dry and take out as much moisture as you can from the surface. After that, I let them stand at room temperature on the baking sheets for a full 24 hours. This just helps them dry out a bit more. Then on parchment-lined baking sheets, you want to bake them at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, making sure to flip the slices over every 30 minutes. You want to be checking them frequently because some slices will be done before others, at which point you want to remove them from the oven so that they don't burn. So depending on the orange slices, it might take 2 to 3 hours until they're all done. Afterwards, you can gently poke holes in them to insert ribbon or string and hang them up to decorate your tree or any other Christmas decoration.